Ready to amplify your trading game? Let's navigate the exciting world of options trading on RBC Direct Investing in just minutes. First, log in securely to your RBC Direct Investing account using your client card or username and password. It is important to always make sure that you are logging in on a secure network. Once you're in, find the Trading tab, usually located at the top of the screen. Click on it, then look for the link that says Stocks and Options and click on that. Now you see the trading interface in the symbol field. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to trade options for. For example, if you want to trade options for Apple, enter AAPL, then hit Get Quote. The options chain will populate below. This shows all available call and put options for the selected stock, categorized by expiration date and strike price. Calls are to the left. Puts are on the right. Choose the expiration date you prefer, then select the strike price and option type, either call or put, that aligns with your trading strategy. Click on the bid or ask price of your chosen option. This will open the order entry screen. Here, you'll specify the details of your order. Double check that the right option contract is displayed. Indicate the number of contracts you want to buy or sell, remembering that one contract usually represents 100 shares. Review your order settings for order type and price. Select your order type. A market order will execute immediately at the best available price, while a limit order will only execute if the price meets your specified limit. Understand the implications of each before submitting. Carefully review all the details in the confirmation screen. RBC Direct Investing also provides risk disclosures related to options trading. Read these thoroughly. Click Submit to place your order. After submitting, check your orders section to confirm the order was received and its current status. Remember, options trading involves risk. Start small, do your research, and consider consulting a financial advisor before making trades.